The Avant and the SUV are united by the identical V8 engine with 4 liters of displacement, whereby the standard output is a thoroughly respectable 600 HP, 441 kilowatts, but the potential is far from exhausted, as the ABT Power S performance upgrade shows. It is based on the high-tech control unit ABT Engine Control, AEC, which increases the engine power in both cases to 700 HP, 515 kilowatts, and 880 Nm. Still not enough drive? On request, ABT Sportsline increases the power a further time so that 740 HP, 544 kilowatts, and 920 Nm are available. These values are matched by the extensive aerodynamics package made of motorsport-like, visible carbon, which has many similarities for both vehicles, but also interesting differences. For example, both kits include a striking front lip with the respective model's name, RS6-S or RSQ8-S, in red lettering. While the SUV gets ABT side skirt add-ons at the front and rear, the Avant has side skirt add-ons at the front and side blades at the rear. The two-part rear spoiler, which can be found on both S models, immediately provides the next wow. Just like the ABT stainless steel exhaust system with its 4 102mm tailpipes, it underlines the dynamic appearance of the vehicle. On the suspension side, both candidates go different ways even in the basic version. With the RSQ8-S, the Bavarian company therefore relies on the ABT level control, ALC, in order to tune the standard air suspension even more sportily. The comfort level now goes down by 25 mm, the dynamic level by 15 mm, in each case compared to the standard height. On the steel-sprung RS6-S, on the other hand, ABT Sportsline implants height-adjustable suspension springs for variable lowering of up to 25 mm at the front and 30 mm at the rear axle. Added to this are anti-roll bars at the front and rear. This ensures significantly less pitch and roll and perfectly accentuates the gigantic 22-inch ABT high-performance HR rims in the wheel arches. Thanks to the flow-forming process used in the production, the unsprung masses nevertheless remain in the green zone, so that optimum performance is guaranteed. The same applies to the ABT RSQ8-S, where the same wheels are used, only one size larger at 23 inches.